Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lyle Woodrow. I'm an athlete for Mountain Pro Special Olympics. I joined in 2014. I do floor hockey, I do track, and I do soccer. And we're gonna do a workout video for you guys. Enjoy.
Hello, my name is Andrew Hynes. I've been in special since '98. I'm in floor hockey, soccer, and I did do track and field.
So, we're gonna do a workout for you guys today, and we're gonna do a simple workout. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our hands down, and when we go down, we are gonna walk on our hands and touch the other person's hand, like slap their hands. So, are you ready?
This is how we're gonna do it.
Okay.
So we're gonna walk down like this, and we'll go like this, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we walk back. Do as many as you can. You can only do 2 or 3. Just keep going and going until you get up to 10 or 20 or 30. And this is for all the young athletes out there.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.